Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is vermicelli upma, also known as Seviyaan upma. I have not added any vegetables in this, but if you want, you can add some vegetables as well. Here I have used vermicelli nests and some basic ingredients like onions, cumin seeds, curry leaves, green chilies, cilantro, and just some spices. I love to add some peanuts in this as well, and along with tomato puree I like to add some tomato paste that gives a very nice color, and I'm also using some ginger garlic paste. So in the pan I have heated oil, and to begin with I'll add cumin seeds and let it splutter. I also add the peanuts here and let it splutter with zira. This is optional. You can also add some cashew nuts. Once the peanut have spluttered, I have added curry leaves, onions and green chilies, and I have sauteed it until onion softens. Now I added some ginger garlic paste and sauteed it until the raw smell of ginger garlic was gone. Now I added tomato puree and the tomato paste. I'm going to saute this and then add my spices. While this is cooking, you can also pre-boil your vermicelli. I like to cook everything together so the vermicelli absorbs all the flavors. You can add your vegetables at this point if you want to. Do share this recipe with your family and friends. This is one of the easiest breakfast recipes. Now I added the spices and I'm sauteing it on medium-low heat. I covered and cooked it on medium-low heat until the tomatoes were cooked. As you can see, the oil has started to release from the sides. Now I'm adding half of the cilantro just to give that extra flavor. Now I'm adding the water. So I used this cup for measuring. My vermicelli is about 1.5 of this cup, and I added 2 cups of water into it. Now after adding the water, I added the salt. It gives me a better idea for salt after I add the water. Now I covered and let it boil on high heat. I'm going to break these nests into 2 because it's just easier for my kids to eat. Now that the water is boiling, I'm going to add all the vermicelli nests in this, breaking each of them. Please do leave a comment below. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. After adding the vermicelli, I'm making sure that all of my vermicelli is submerged in the water, and I boiled it on high heat until 80% of the water was absorbed by the vermicelli. If you want, you can pre-boil the vermicelli, but that will change the water quantity for cooking. It will require less water if you pre-boil the vermicelli. I like to make it this way. As you can see, the water has almost been absorbed by the vermicelli. Now I put my heat on medium-low and covered and cooked it for about 10 minutes. Vermicelli upma is now ready. As you can see, the vermicelli has absorbed all the flavored water. And now I'm just garnishing it with cilantro. As you can see, the color is so beautiful, but at some moments my camera did not capture the right color of it, so that's why it's looking a little bit fade in this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!